Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to see the Amazon Prime Video watch history. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. If you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do to watch the watch history is simply scroll over and hover over our profile picture and our profile name that's on the nav bar. As you can see, something like this opened up. On the left section, you'll see something like Account and Settings. Simply click on this button right here. Once you click on it, something like this will open up, that's Account and Settings. Here you can see many tabs and settings available, but right now we're only focusing on the watch history. If we scroll right, just next to language, we can see something like watch history. Simply click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the watch history. Do note that you can also delete the movies from your watch history as well. Just click on the button that says delete episodes/movies from watch history. And guys, that's about it. That's how you view the watch history in your Amazon Prime Video account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.